Hello, thank you for tuning into my channel once again. I appreciate it. I'm going to show you this tutorial on Aunt Jackie's No Shrink. Alright, I'm going to be doing a wash and go, and I'm going to be playing with my furry friend as I explain the video. His name is Leo, by the way. So basically, I have been doing my natural phase for a month now, and I'm just trying to figure out which wash and go method is best for me. So I will be using Aunt Jackie's No Shrink and also Aunt Jackie's Detangler. Alright, so I'm just going to show you the products that I'm using while I dance and sway and yes. But anyway, I'm going to show you the products that I'm using, and I'm going to show you the method that I use as well. So first, what you need is a white tooth comb, of course. Oh, a rat tail comb. And then you need a Denman brush and water, of course. You also need the Aunt Jackie's Not on My Watch, which is a detangler. It's a kind of thinner detangler, as well as the Aunt Jackie's No Shrink Flaxseed gel. So I basically start by parting my hair down the middle. When I do my wash and goes, I usually wash my hair first. I do not apply product in the shower. I haven't gotten that good yet. So I just wash my hair, section my hair off, and I take small parts at a time while it's still damp, and I start putting the product in. I'll spray with water first, and then I'll add some of the detangler and comb and brush that through. Now when I used the detangler, it was kind of looser, so that's why you see me rubbing and then I add the gel, and I just proceed to the next section. While I was using the products, I realized that they weren't the same consistency as the products that I have used before, which was Eco Styler gel and I believe Lotta Body as well. The Lotta Body cream. So I'm just trying to adjust myself. That's why you'll see me rubbing a section a few more times and a little bit, repetitively. So as I'm going through, you'll notice that I'm looking at my hair and I'm just like, wait a minute, I gotta start manipulating this, I gotta start twisting this. I thought because I heard great reviews on the product, I wouldn't have to do that, but I did. So you'll see me go back and finger coil my hair and give it some texture and a little bit more body, like here. And I usually do that with my wash and goes, but for some reason I thought I didn't have to do that. So I'm just going through. I'm really getting those coils popping. Do you see that? I will say this wash and go was the longest wash and go that has ever lasted in my hair, and I didn't have to take it out the time that I did. I took it out within 5-6 days. I didn't have to. I did it just because I'm moving and everything, and I want the wig look. Now, the products that I used before, I can tell that this is a little different because my hair would literally be a bush. It wouldn't even be as stretched as it is now. It might not seem like a lot, but when I used the Eco Styler gel, my hair was literally a shriveled up bush. Now, as I do this other side, and I'm basically getting the hang of everything, you'll see me notice that this side will be a little bit more elongated than the other side. And I guess because, I'm learning the technique and what I have to do with the product, and I'm, curling one, part at a time, and it doesn't have to be small parts either. And also my hair in the back is a little bit, less coily as the top part of my head. My back is a 4A and my top is a 4B. And I'm looking like, wait, what's going on? So now my hair is magically done. And now that I'm finished, I just go through and try to find like bushy curls and just try to finger coil them and just make everything, more curly and more in sync. So at first, I wasn't going to do any voice situation with this video. I just wanted to, it's my first tutorial where I got everything set up how I want it. Things are coming along, blah, 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 blah. I ain't got no lashes on. Disregard my dead eyes, okay? So I wasn't gonna do any voice situation, but I like my hair. So what I did was I took the blow dryer towards the end, not the blow dryer. Well, it's a hair dryer, but it has the nozzle attachment, the diffuser attachment, because I'm not buying another whole blow dryer to get the same results. So I have the diffuser attachment, right? And I like diffuse my hair a little bit. Like it's still a little wet, but I just love that I can do this and my curls stay in. So I can only imagine when it dries up. Like it's saying no shrink. Now let me tell you, I did this before with, I think, some different products. I'm not sure which one they were, but I know it was Eco Styler Gel. And my curls were literally like a little bush, and it was like around my head like a Muppet, right? So this one, like my hair wasn't that shrunken, and I didn't take my time to blow it out all the way. I just got my ends a little bit because it's kind of raining outside, and I don't want to go out there and get sick. So before I went to dinner, I needed to tell y'all that my hair is popping. That Aunt Jackie's is the next go-to when I'm doing a wash and go in the summer. Like I know it's the wintertime and I'm doing it, but I'm like seriously experimenting. So y'all are like really about to go on this journey with me as I figure out the products for my hair and what's not. Like, look at these little curls. You see them, Julius? Look at them. They is there. And when some of them get a little frizzy, I'm just gonna like take some of that stuff and like do that little situation with it. But these are really good products. And I showed y'all what I used. I didn't use the shampoo in the shower. I used my actually exfoliating shampoo. I forgot who it's by. And oh, let me put this on. This will make your curls pop, okay? Like, I'm not gonna rub it through because it's still kind of wet. I'm just gonna like spray it around. Like this stuff adds like so much shine to your hair. I don't know if you can see it already. Look at that. Shine, baby, shine. And it's like the more I fluff it out, the more like my curls are like really coming into themselves. Like, look at my hands. That's from the oil, and I didn't even spray it on my hands. I just like touched my hair a little bit. So you know that is popping. That is really popping. I also like her jelly too. She has a jelly. But anyway, thank you for watching. Okay. There'll be more videos. I don't know when. It takes me a while to do this. It takes me like all day to record a video and get it how I want. So thank you. Don't forget to click, subscribe, like. Thank you.